Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's discussion is Wilson theorem. So friends, Wilson's theorem states that P is any natural number is any natural natural number greater than 1. So friends, P is said to be prime number. P is said to be prime number P is said to be prime number to be a prime number, okay, to be a prime number if and only if and only if of all positive integers less than p, if and only if the product of prime number, so product of prime number, sorry, product of all numbers, sorry, product of all the positive integers less than p is 1 less than a multiple of number is 1 less than a multiple of number p, less than a multiple of number p. Okay, so the mathematically according to Wilson theorem, p minus 1 factorial equals to minus 1 mod p, or p minus 1 factorial or p minus 1 factorial equals to p minus. So friends, let's start that you see this is the Wilson theorem statement. P minus 1 factorial is equal to p minus 1 mod p. So friends, we need to know Wilson theorem proof. Wilson theorem proof is not so much important, but you have to know limitation of Wilson theorem. Wilson theorem is not applicable in the case of composite number 4, because by applying Wilson theorem in the case of 4, we get the remainder 2 instead of 1. Okay, Wilson theorem has a wide range of applications in the changing world. As the world is shifting to digitization, security is the key concern. Wilson theorem is used to cryptography for coding and decoding. Wilson theorem is applicable in the case of both prime and composite numbers, hence widens the base of its applications. So friends, remembering formula is that for p greater than 1, okay, greater than 1, p is prime number, p minus 1 factorial is equal to minus 1 mod p. Okay, important points to remember. Wilson theorem is applicable only in the case of a prime number. A number is said to be prime if it is divisible by 1 and it's only. So friends, I hope I can I can give some idea. Now another factor, Wilson theorem is a classical theorem in number theory. It has also interesting fact associated with it that the theorem is stated by a teacher and student pair, John Wilson and Haytham respectively. However, it was proved later by later on by Lagrange. Wilson theorem is a great important C in number theory. The application of Wilson's theory, its limitations. Wilson theorem examples will be discussed here in detail for a clear understanding of the theorem. So I give the details. And you have to know John Wilson, born 6th August 1741, died 18 October 1793. Field mathematics, nationality British. So friends, let's start our programming. Now we start our programming. Hash include bits stdc plus plus dot h. Okay, so actually I do not make so many videos based on C++, but we need to know the each code in here. So bits stdc plus plus h means meaning is a non-standard header file of GNU C++ library. So if you try compile your code with some compiler with GCC, it might fail. So MSVC do not have this header. Using it would include a lot of unnecessary stuff, increases compilations time. So this is my first header file. Header file is the bits stgc plus plus dot h in C++. Okay. Another is there is a advantage and disadvantage. Okay, using name space std. Okay, so this is the meaning using namespace std. What is this meaning? So this is the syntax. Okay, using namespace std means we can use names for objects and variables from the standard library. Don't worry if you don't understand how hash include iostream and using namespace std works. Just think of it is something that always appears in your program. Okay, using namespace std. Next is long factorial and const int and flag. So friends, you have already know in C programming function. This is my function. Okay, factorial, const int and flag. Next, so friend, next is the bool is prime. So what is the meaning of bool in the C++? Because each are very important. Bool C++. Okay, meaning of bool C++. Bool mean booleans. Okay, so the keyword is built in type. A variable of this type can have values true and false. Okay, Conditional initial expression have the type bool, so have values of type bool. Okay, because I have already you will see that I use bool because it is prime or not, so the boolean. Okay, so boolean algebra I used flag factorial flag minus 1 because you see the Wilson theorem. I use you Wilson theorem in here. Flag. Okay, flag. What is the meaning of flag? Everything is important for a program. Flag. Flag is a Boolean variable that signals when some condition exists in a program. Okay, when a flag is set to true, it means some condition exists. When a flag is set to false, it means some condition does not exist. Okay, so I hope it is clear. Flag. Now, because we need to know each code meaning. Okay, code is all the code is important. So code, what is the meaning of code? Okay, okay, code in C++ is used to display output to the screen. Okay, the C is code stands for character, out stands for output. This thus code refers to character output. We use the in insertion operator along with code to output formatted data. Okay, so it is clear. Next I will discuss. Okay, so what is the meaning of scene? Scene means character. CIN means character input. The C++ scene objects belongs to I stream class. It accepts input from a standard input device such as a keyboard is linked to stdin, the regular C input source. So friends, I discuss each the code because code is very important. Meaning of code, because otherwise we cannot do any program. So I hope it is clear. Const, what is the meaning of the const, int, flag? Okay, etc. Now let's go our terminal. Okay, let's run our program. It takes time, but no problem. Okay, compile already active. Okay, okay, compile successful. Okay, so you see that enter a 7, it is prime number, and now I will I can write 8. So composite number, enter a number. So if I write 5, so it is prime number. Okay, so I hope then you can clear that each my terminals, that 7, 8, 5. Okay, this is the experiment. This is the my composition. I hope that I can clear Wilson's theorem. Wilson's theorem is very important for coding and decoding and cryptography. Thanks for watching.